So I got this rocker switch to connect the hazard lights. It's a special rocker switch made for the Link forklifts. It's got all the connections right here. Let me see if I can zoom in, but I'm gonna post image for you guys to see. You got all the numbers here for the connections. So with this rocker switch, you can easily adapt to convert your existent hazard switch from the Land Rover to this one. Let me show you how. I got the original hazard switch removed. My Defender is from 2000. I have 9 wires connected to the hazard light switch. The only wire that we will not use is the one pinpointed here, black and red. So if you have a earlier TD5, your plug will look like the left image. I describe here all the pins and also the cable colors. They might differ a little bit since the year of the car influences the color of the wires, but you have it all described on the right table so that you can clearly see what each wire does. In case your Defender is a late TD5 or a Puma, your plug will look like this one. I describe here also the cable colors, what each cable does, what connection does it make, and also the pin layout so that you know. There's a wire that we will not use, once again, the black and red wire that I pin out here. This one will not be used for this connection for the hazard switch. In order to do this conversion, I got this Carlin switch, in this case from AliExpress. I'm placing the link in the video description if you're interested. My schematics to assemble all this was based on this switch that I place here. I'm mapping here the pin layout for this Carlin switch. It's 8 pin. You have here all the schematic to know how to plug the wires. So now just missing the connections. Grab your wires, check the colors, and follow my table to know which wire connects to each pin, and it's going to be an easy job. All the connections done. They connect straight to the original hazard switch wires. Let's see if this works out. Car is turned off, so this should be working when the car is turned off or turned on. Oh yeah. So it's working. Thanks for watching.